What's up, guys? So the weather did end up holding off today, which is great. It's just super windy. So we're just gonna hit up a few lakes in the area, check them out, see if we could catch some, really anything today. I really don't care. It's pretty cool out now, and yesterday or 2 days ago, whatever, it was in the 90s. It's only in the 60s today, so massive weather change. We got set up by Gander at Lakeville. Their fishing department hooked me up and got me set up with the Baitcast that I've never used before. So that'll be fun. It's a little dirty. Yeah. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get one on. Right now we're kind of just walking on a path next to a lake. It's super weedy and mossy, kind of gross. Apparently there's a fishing pier somewhere over here, so we're gonna just keep walking till we find it. All right, so we found the pier. Super windy, unbelievably windy. And it's looking pretty gross. Look at all that. It's a nice looking lake though. And we see that. Look at all that. There's weeds everywhere. So we might just, I don't think we're gonna drop anything here. We got one, baby. Hey, there we go. Busy fixing my rat's nest, and this little guy decided that he wanted to bite. Check this out. And he absolutely ate it. Kind of. Let's go. Another little one, but oh my god, yeah, he absolutely ate that. There we go. Check that out. Alright, what's up, guys? So we just left the first lake. On my way out, I just talked to a real sweet old couple that recommended me to come try Blackhawk Lake or something like that. We're at, I don't know, some lake like that. I'll get a shot of it when we get there. They said it's a little bit lower, so hopefully it's not as windy, and I guess it's a lot cleaner than the last lake we were at. So yeah, let's rig up and go give it a shot, see if we can reel in a couple more fish. All right, so we're here. Fishing deck, fishing pier. So okay, so we're not that far away from the pier. It'll be a little bit of a walk. I think we can handle it. All right, looks like we finally made it somewhere. I see water, which is good. A little bit of a path. So this must be the pier, obviously. All right, and then out over there, this floating bridge or whatever they called it. It's looking pretty grainy and algae, which is all right. All right, we're gonna try to move to a different spot. So far, no bites, which is unfortunate. All right, we're calling it a day. Hit up a couple lakes in the area. Definitely lakes I want to come back to, especially with the kayak. Speaking of, everything should be showing up this week. Everything I need, mainly just the life jacket. So watch out for some future videos with the kayak, which is super exciting. Again, today I used the new Baitcast Setup that Gander Outdoors set up for me, which is pretty sweet. It worked way better than I anticipated. I know in the beginning I was a little iffy, had a bunch of backlashes, but towards the end there, I was starting to figure it out, which is good to see. If you want to check out the rig that I was using today, like the reel, the rod, everything's linked down below in my description. I have links there that'll take you straight to the site, so feel free to check those out if you want. Anyways, enough rambling for me. Thanks for watching for today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.